Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
जल्माचो दीस तुझो, जल्माचो दीस तुझो, जल्माचो दीस तुझो विजय, जल्माचो दीस तुझो.
I am asking for forgiveness. I am asking for pardon from the people of Goa for a major political mistake that I have done in my career. The mistake to not come out of the government after the death of Parrikar. See, our stated position was that our link to the BJP was Parrikar. And if he died, we had no link. So we should have got out, which I didn't do, which is why I would like to apologize to the people of Goa. की आज जे कितें गोंयकार सफर करता प्रमोद सावंताच्या गव्हर्मेंटान हें आमचे खातीर आनी आमची चूक जाल्ली आहा आनी गोंयकारान आमकां माफी करची आमकां ताजे खातीर आमी प्रायश्चितूय भोगपाक तयार आहा काँग्रेस पार्टीचें कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन गोंयाक आज पावोवपाक हें कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन रायट ऑफ हांव करना. I am not willing to blame the Congress for all the evils that are there in Goa. At the same time, I am not willing to say that they did nothing for Goa. I am not saying that. They have also done something for Goa. At that particular time in 2017, if you notice their behavior was clear-cut allergy to us. Statements have come out in the press that we will have government with anybody with the exception of me. As a political person who gets elected, first time people endorse it and gets two new people elected, why would I not want to teach these people a lesson at that time? आता 50 वर्सां जातकर मे बी जो राग आशिल्लो जो इमिजिएट रिस्पॉन्स मेकॅनिझम तो मातसो कमी जावंक जाय, मॅच्युरिटी आसूंक जाय.